An aesthetic physique isn't just about looks, it's a signal. It shows discipline, dominance, and self-respect. In today's world, that combination instantly changes how people see you, making you appear more confident, attractive, and high value before you even say a word. Your physique speaks before you do. Since ancient times, a strong, proportionate body has been a symbol of power, from Greek warriors to Roman gladiators. An aesthetic physique isn't about being huge, it's about balance. Broad shoulders, a narrow waist, a well-developed chest and back, and proportional legs. The kind of shape that looks good in a suit, at the beach, or in a simple t-shirt. It shows dominance, discipline, and self-respect. Here's exactly how to build it, step by step. 1. Testosterone and muscle growth. Before we even talk exercises, you need to understand this. Testosterone is your muscle-building superpower. The higher your natural levels, the faster you build muscle, recover, and even burn fat. Low testosterone? You'll train twice as hard for half the results. The good news? You can boost it naturally, with training, sleep, and smart nutrition. And if you want me to make a full video breaking down exactly how to skyrocket your testosterone naturally, drop a comment below. I'll make it happen. 2. Master the proportions. The aesthetic look is all about proportions, not size alone. Aim for the golden ratio, roughly 1.6 times shoulder width compared to your waist. To get there, focus on lats and upper back, pull-ups, lat pull-downs, and barbell rows to build width, side delts, lateral raises, and upright rows for broader shoulders, upper chest, incline bench press, and cable crossovers for a fuller, more lifted chest. Keep your waist lean through smart diet and core work, and you'll create that sharp V-taper shape that screams aesthetics. 3. Push-pull legs training. Use a push-pull leg split. Here's why. It trains your body in the most balanced way possible. Push days build your chest, shoulders, and triceps, the muscles that give you a broad, powerful upper body. Pull days grow your back, biceps, and rear delts, creating width in that V-taper shape. Leg days keep your lower body strong and proportional, so you don't end up looking top-heavy. It's the perfect formula for both aesthetics and strength. 4. Fuel and recovery. Your body is built in the kitchen and recovered in bed. Start by calculating your daily calorie needs using a calorie calculator. Just search for one online. If you want to lose fat, eat fewer calories than your maintenance. If you're skinny, eat more to gain quality muscle. No matter your goal, focus on these key nutrients: protein, chicken, eggs, fish, lean beef, tofu, vitamins and minerals, fruits, vegetables, nuts, healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts for hormone support. For recovery, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Limit blue light before bed, keep your room cool and dark, and avoid heavy meals right before sleeping. Remember, without proper fuel and recovery, your workouts will only take you halfway. 5. Make a proper workout plan. Here's where most people mess up. They train randomly and hope for results. Don't do that. You need a plan made for your body, your stats, your goal. And here's the cool part. You can get one in seconds. Here's the hack. Open ChatGPT, type your body weight, height, age, and goal, and boom, you'll have a complete workout plan built just for you. No guesswork, no wasted time. Remember, every rep, every meal, every night of good sleep is shaping the body you'll carry for the rest of your life. Start now, stay consistent, and a year from today, you'll be glad you didn't quit. The best version of you is waiting. Go build it.